Good morning, everybody. It's currently 7:38. Again, I'm exhausted, but we're out here, so we're on our way down to autocross. Now that we have our springs on and our summer tires, I think we'll be able to do a lot better than we did last time we went. There's 117 people who registered for this event, which is probably more than I've ever seen, so we have 3 groups that are working. I don't know how it's going to work, but I guess we'll figure it out. I'm curious how many runs we're going to get in. I'm going to assume maybe 3, 4. We usually get about 3, I think, before lunch, maybe 4. But with 3 groups, it's gonna be weird. So we'll just figure that part out as we go. And as always, we're just gonna go have some fun. Probably won't be the fastest. I'm not the fastest driver, but I think with the tires and the suspension, it'll help me a little bit. So we'll see how we do. All right. Well, we just got done working for the first set of runs, and now it's our turn. So we're just gonna wait for everybody to get staged up, and we're gonna head out. I got my camera put right here, and I also have a side mount on the helmet, so hopefully we can get a couple different angles and just have a good time. But yeah, see you guys out there. Currently at 45 front, 55, -4 charge control. Water bottle. I got stuff flying everywhere. Jesus Christ. Should secure my water bottle better next time. Felt pretty good last time. Didn't notice anything weird. I think I backed off just a little bit because of all the stuff flying around, but I think this time I have that sorted out, so we should be good. Good. Nice and sideways through there. Oh, I should have just followed it with the wrong way. That's a bag. Where did that bag come from?
Exoset, so it's a kit car based on Miata.
I've never seen one of these before.
Yeah, they're pretty cool. There's a few in Utah. I think mine was the first. I've had mine for about 7 years now.
Okay, sweet.
There's 2 or 3 others out around Utah now.
What do you just drive it to the store every once in a while and keep in the garage for the
I'll
most
go
part?
on like the Antelope Island or up on like the mountains a little bit. That's fun. Or I take it to this.
Sweet.
I take it to work like once or twice, but I gotta be careful. I always get caught in construction. And then
Oh yeah, of course.
one time I did that before I had the fenders, and I got stuck in one-way construction. Couldn't turn around. We went through a mud puddle, got through mud all over the place.
On your way to work?
I was gonna send him. Oh,
On the way back.
Hold on a second.
At least you're on the way back, right? What kind of motor's in this?
Just the stock Miata.
Oh, okay, sick. Sick. This thing probably weighs less than a Miata too, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's about 600-700 pounds lighter than the Miata.
Nice.
So it does pretty good.
did a ride along in the Challenger over there. That was a blast. I tried to swap my camera mounting angle at just the wrong time, so I wasn't able to get that recorded. But we will get some more ride alongs going. But this is going to be my third run. I haven't checked times yet, so I should probably do that, but we will do that at the end of this run. Maybe this time I won't get attacked by a bag.
Go for it.
Oh! A little too faster there. Cone. Come on, tires. Run number 4 is the last run. I changed my stability assist to -5. I don't have time to fix my camera to put it any lower, so hopefully this camera angle is okay. I'll lower my seat just a little bit. It's about as far down as it goes. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. All right, well, we are done with the morning session. That was pretty good. I had my best time of the day, that last run there. Very proud of that. I'm still a little bit behind the Plaid and the other Model 3, but the other Model 3 and the Plaid are running some really good tires compared to what I have. They're a lot more expensive, a lot more grippy, but I'm still only about 2 seconds off of them, which is a lot, but I would say if I had those tires, I'd probably be a little bit closer to them than what I am right now. So maybe with me accelerating all the way through the finish, which is kind of sketchy, but I think that's what gave me my best time, and I think if I start doing that and clean up my lines a little bit more, I should be okay. All the other runs, I started slowing down before the exit, just because I want to be careful not to plow through there. As you can see, it's pretty tight. So we'll give that a shot after lunch. I got a little bit more time just to hang out, and then I might go do some ride-alongs, and then I have to work, and then I'll be running again, and we'll see if we can get any closer to the other cars.
Sick 'em.
Oh yeah, changing the tire pressure made a big difference. We're going almost 70 into the finish line. Oh, that was scary. We're gonna have to keep doing that. We'll see what my time was compared to earlier. What all do you have done to this?
Yeah, so it's got basically a frame off restoration. So it's got Ridetech coilovers all the way around, Ridetech front, upper, and lower control arms, SpeedTech's torque arm in the back, 6-liter LS engine, and then a TKO 600.
It's a laundry list, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Have you done all the work yourself?
Yeah. Yeah, the only thing I didn't do, which I sort of did, but I had a friend help me with the body work and paint.
Okay.
I'm not great at that, and after spending a couple hundred hours, I was like, dude, I need help. I can't do this on my own. I'm not good enough. So he helped me out a lot with that.
That was nice. Everything's a learning experience, right?
Yeah, for sure.
I have a project car that I'm trying to use to like learn
Yeah.
all the more intricate stuff.
Yeah. That's why. That's one of the reasons I wanted to buy this when I was a kid, because I was 16. I'd never worked on a car before, and I was like, well, I'll kind of have to work on this, I guess. And I always wanted one, so I was like, screw it, found one, bought it, and just learned to work on it by trial and error. All right. So far. You're bad luck, man. Or he's good luck.
It's the pressure from the 5 people that are gonna watch my video. So it was.
Go get him.
Should have taken that wider. The new inline cars are a force to be reckoned with. So I've heard.
No, I don't know. Not in this class. It rolls too much. It just doesn't sit flat enough. I'm not sure what to do to resolve it within the rules.
Some springs.
Knock any cones over this time, yeah? Oh, 47.2. I think that's my best time.
Man, I'm just good luck today. Last person I rode with was their fastest time too.
Well, see, bringing good luck. You want out here or back there?
Just back over there is fine.
Okay, have another ride. You bet. I'm going home.
Okay.
I'm going to pull down the front right here, and I'll let you out so you can just go pick your car.
Thank you so much. That was a blast. Thank you.
You betcha.
Have a great day.
Thank you very much. I did.
Been getting a lot of ride-alongs today?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I bet.
Thank you.
That's part of the fun too, you know?
Yeah.
Can't be just all me by myself enjoying it.
I really appreciate the culture here, because apparently where my brother goes in Atlanta, nobody does ride-alongs.
Really?
Essentially, yeah. It's like maybe if he wants his friend to ride with him just to give him a pointer or something. But yeah, sounds pretty lame, right? So they're all super competitive. Maybe a little too competitive.
Maybe a little too competitive. That's a true statement.
That was a pretty successful day overall, I'd say. I don't know what we got overall, like placement wise, but I will put it on the screen right here. They were still running when I left, and I'm almost home, so we're gonna figure out how we placed overall. But my fastest time for the day was not too bad. 42 something, 43 something, I forget. Not too far off from the other guys. As far as I'm aware, when I left, the fastest time for the day was a 39.999. So I wasn't too far off from that. I don't know how many people would be in between me and him, but we will find out here shortly, and you already saw it, so you already know. But yeah, it was just a blast overall. I had a good time. I'm here to interrupt your glorious outro to tell you a little bit about the Springs and how they performed on the track. They did phenomenal. Honestly, that's probably the best thing I could have done to help increase my times and be more competitive. They significantly reduced body roll by a lot. You can tell it just in the corners, just when I'm turning. The car's a lot more controllable, especially when it starts to slide out or do other weird stuff that it shouldn't technically be doing. And I think also really important, the ride quality compared to stock is the same, if not better than it was stock. And it looks a lot better while it's doing it, obviously. The ride height's just spot on for me. I think it's spot on. The ride quality hasn't changed. It hasn't gotten worse like you would expect with Springs. They're dual rate, so it helps a lot. I think honestly, it's more comfortable than it was on the stock suspension, believe it or not. Overall, I'm just extremely happy with my purchase, and the install wasn't bad. Well worth it. If it's something you're considering, just do it. I think you can't go wrong, honestly. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Rode some really cool cars, met some cool people, as usual. AutoCross is a great place to be. Everybody's super friendly, and everybody's just there to have a good time. A little friendly competition, you know. If you want to see more AutoCross content, let me know in the comments. Leave a like, that kind of stuff. The usual stuff, you know, subscribe, share the videos so I can keep making content like this. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, everybody. Have a good one.